Hello everybody, Marco from GreenGeeks here. So, discussion, that was a lot of discussion. So we're gonna do a short one. We're gonna talk about the media setting option within WordPress. So follow along. Okay guys, here we go again. I noticed I wasn't recording and I did the whole video. That's the perils of doing screencasts. So we're gonna go at it again. So I'm gonna go to settings and I'm gonna go to media. And this is gonna open the settings for image sizes. Now there is 3 settings I can control. By default, whenever I upload an image to WordPress, WordPress will upload 4 instances of the image. It's going to upload the original image, its size. It's going to open it's going to do a large one, medium one, and thumbnail one. Now, in here, you basically control the width and height of each. But this is really important. The medium and large size image, you can control what the max width is going to be. And I think whoever reaches that first, the image is going to stay as is. To repeat that, but to explain a little bit better. So if I have the max width and max height set to 300, and let's say I had a image that is, I think, like for example, let's say I had an image of 300 pixels wide and 700 pixels tall. So WordPress is going to use the smallest one, the max width one, in order to display the image, because we want to keep the proportion alive. Because if I crop this, it's going to be a hard crop and the image is going to look bad. So the same is with large size. So max width is going to be 1024 pixels wide or 1024 pixels high. So inverting the example, let's say I had an image that is, let's say it was, I think, I don't know, 1280 pixels and the height is 1024. So WordPress is going to crop that to exactly that in order to respect the max height. So it's going to grab one of the two, and whoever has the lowest one, it's going to keep it. With thumbnails, it's different though. Notice the name width appears. There's no word max, because with thumbnails, it does a hard crop. So, you know, you have that setting that says crop thumbnails to exact dimensions. You know, they're usually proportional, and when you upload images into WordPress to use as a featured image to a thumbnail size, it's going to allow you to do a crop. It has this little tool. We saw that previously in webinars. So just so you know, again, when I upload an image, WordPress is going to create 4 copies of it. Now, since I was recording previously and thought I was there, I've uploaded the image already. But if you go over media over here, you're going to see myself here, and you just know that 4 images have been created. This is the original size plus, you know, 3 more copies that have exactly the dimensions that are listed within this panel. Now, the last setting over here, it's the uploading of files. WordPress, by default, whenever you upload something, it's going to put that into the year and month directory in question. So as of this recording, we're in April. So WordPress is going to do within the it's going to do 2022 as the year, /04, and then the name of the file. Now you can uncheck this, and what it does is it's going to put all of it in one big lump of files, and it's going to put everything there. Some people may like it. I like to use folders. So if we go back into the media over here, click on it, you are going to see that, let's wait a little bit because the internet has acted on me. So whenever I click on myself and I go to the file URL, you're going to see exactly that. You're going to see the year, you're going to see the month, and the name of the file. So one last thing before we wrap this up, where can I set the whole medium, large image sizes? That's a very good question. So if I go to a post over here and I insert an image using the block editor over here, I'm gonna go over here, hit the plus sign, I'm gonna go with image, I'm gonna select media library, do it twice so that it gets rid of that, select myself, go over here. Now you're gonna see, now where can I do this? You can't do it here because this does a nice little crop tool. So I'm gonna cancel that. But if you click on this little gear icon, and scroll a little bit down, you are going to see the image size. It's going to see medium, looks a little bit small, large, or you can see full size. Now again, thumbnail is not there because thumbnails are related to posts. Some posts have the ability to set a thumbnail so that you can actually view that. That is this setting over here, the featured image one. I have the same thing. Oh well. So I have the same one. Again, the block editor offers the option of overriding the settings, the default settings on an image by image basis, which I think is kind of cool. But I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to hit update and then hit goodbye. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye. There you got it, guys. Simple video. Just wanted to go over this one quickly. It's pretty straightforward. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.